trade management, position sizing, perfect risk to reward, and reasons for taking today's trade. I have explained everything in detail, so please watch the entire video. Now, let's get started. Just entered into a trade of 50 quantity at 523 in IndusInd Bank, and it has given a breakout above this position. It's a triangle pattern, so the closing is above the pattern, so that's a positive sign, and the price is moving upward now. The other thing is Bank Nifty is also moving in the same direction, upward. I have just added another 50 quantity to the previous 50, so let's see how it goes. Price is moving in our direction, and our target is of 527, 4 rupees from the buying price of first quantity 523. I'll explain you the entire trade with proper analysis. Just keep watching. We have achieved our targets. You can see here no pending orders. So let's move on to trade analysis now and explain you everything. Let me remove all these drawings. So first let's move to 1 day time frame, and we can see here price gave a breakout yesterday, this green candle. So based on that we took a trade today. Moving into 5-minute time frame, in the 5-minute time frame you can see yesterday and day before yesterday market remained side on here completely. Here the market was sideways, but around 1 o'clock it gave a breakout. You can see in this position here it started moving upward, and today it opened at this position and it made a small triangle pattern. We can also say a flag pattern. I'll just show you in 1 second. The flag pattern is this way. A pole is there, then a small triangle forms here. So this is a continuation pattern. Just simply you can see uptrend, halt, and again uptrend. So the flag pattern helps us in that. So I gave you 2 reasons for today's trade. Let's move on to the third one. We'll go to Bank Nifty, and you can see here big green candles here, and price reversed its direction. Price changes direction to upward from this position. Why? Because there's were gap here. Always remember, gap acts as a resistance or support. Whenever market creates a gap, it will act as a support or resistance. So it took support here and changed its direction. So the fourth reason for taking trade is the volume. I always like to see volumes, whether they are going in my direction or not. So we can see here they just started to form higher volumes in buying direction, means buyers were getting into this trade. So it helped us to reach our target much faster. Let's move on to position sizing. So price gave a breakout at this area here, and I entered at 523.50. so I took only 50 quantity at that position, and after when price made a breakout above this area I chose because this was yesterday's high, and from this high price started moving downward. So when price moved above this area, I entered into 525. So that was the position sizing, even though it was a small position sizing, but it is very important while you are trading in stocks. The next section we should talk about is mindset. Mindset is the most important in this stock market business. So I exited my trade around 527 here at this position, but price is still making higher highs now. It is still going upward, but you should always follow your rules. If your target is hit, you should close the system. If your stop loss is hit, you should again just take one trade and you should close the system. Never over trade, because even you are in profit and you still believe like I can do more. whatever you have earned, market will take that away as well. So when you are in profit, just close the system and you should be done for the day. So that's it for today. Give a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe so you will be notified for future videos. I'll see you in the next one.